are offering Columbarium, the family estate, and we also offer garden lots, lawn lots. In this memorial garden, they are offering amenities and facilities. For the amenity area, they have landscape gardens, they have pavilion for private functions, and we have children's playground, we have the lagoon area, that's the park chapel, social garden. And they have concrete roads and underground facilities and utilities. No overhead wirings for the electricity. So it's very clean, neat and clean. And they have male and female toilets in 3 different locations. So would you like to have one here? Would you like to invest? We are ready to serve you any time of the day. You can call us 24/7. And they have also an outdoor parking facility. And aside from that, they have a nice guardhouse and perimeter fence. We have another one subdivision here, so the place is very nice, the ambience is very good, and on this area is the subdivision, the house and lot subdivision owned by Columbarium. Yeah, it's a middle end subdivision. So as mentioned earlier, there are 3 types of burial plant that they offer. One is the lawn lot. So this is the example of a lawn lot. It's designed for underground interment. Flat on ground marble markers. This is 3 by 18 by 24, and this is transferrable and assignable. And the size per lot is 1 meter by 2.5 meters. Transferrable and assignable. The size per lot is 10 square meter and 20 square meter for their offer. The classification for this lot is a premium lot. This is near the main road. And you have 2 options. We have 4 lot gardens and we have also 8 lot gardens. So it's up to you if how big is your bucket. It depends on your budget. For 8 lot garden, then go ahead. And the next one that I'll be showing you is the family estate.
Paglakaw na pa ingon diri.
Ha?
Paglakaw na.
Okay, wait lang. For the family. This is to highlight the area that Angelicum Garden of Angels has access going through Sacred Heart School. Is the lagoon over there, the lagoon. Lagoon. That one is the lagoon area, and this one is the park and playground. Columbarium area. So for the Columbarium, it's beautifully situated at the heart of Angelicum's sprawling Mediterranean garden. It has 1,620 units. So its technical specifications cover the dimensions of 0.5 meters by 0.5 meters for width and length with a depth of 0.6 meters. The garden columbarium has an allowed capacity of 2 units for cremated remains. As an alternative use for cremated remains, the units can also be used as a bone ossuary, limited to 1 set of bone remains and shall be permanently sealed per DOH regulation. As a regulation, the marker on the columbarium shall be limited to 2 names of the interred. Soon to be opened as a family estate, phase 2. So soon to be sold out.
That's what I want to emphasize. 40% is already sold out. We still have 60%